All right, Black Elk Peak-nic. Take 3 here, 3rd annual. I got Soren with me. Soren's crushing it so far.
Little early.
He's back a little bit. He's doing great though. It's pretty brutal, this section. Probably a pretty good grade, but maybe only a mile and a half to go to get to the lake and then the swim. Made it to the lake. There comes Soren right there. I'm on to the swim part, so here we go. Comes Soren up out of the water. All right, leaving the lake. Onto the run portion. Time for the special treat at the top. My wife made me some oatmeal peanut butter protein balls. Super tasty. Good little fuel for the halfway point. And then I'll head down the trail. Way over there. The lake is right out there. And then from the lake, bike back down to pasture. So halfway done. It's taken me hour and 34 minutes so far. So doing pretty well. All right, heading back down. Here we go. Last little hill down to the lake. Whew. Almost there. Strong. All right, onto the bike. Finished at the lake. There it is, the finish line. Woo! Ah, yeah. Peak-nic is a wrap. 104 down. Right there. Tied my record, I think. Let's see the time. Oh, I was pushing pretty hard there. 8:47. Ah, I'm like a minute off. Darn. It's pretty good though. Yeah, buddy. You did it.
An hour 25?
Woo!
Is that what yours was at?
No. I like my hour 25 up and then an hour down.
Well, still, holy cow.